Hello everyone, welcome to the How To series brought to you by Adoya Beauty TV. I am Adedoyin Omotara, your personal makeup artist. Today I have my beautiful model Tatiana and I'm going to do a brow tutorial on her. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to fill your brows to frame your own face, right? So come with me. So I'll be using the brow pencil, the Adoya brow pencil in Brunette. And I chose this shade because our hair is dark, our hair is black, more like, and this shade is dark brown. So you don't need to use black because our hair is black. Just use a light brown pencil and that will give you the effect. So you want to go a shade lighter than our hair color. So it depends on the hair color. If you have a red hair, you need to really go light. Not like use red on your brows, but use a light brown. If your hair is blonde, then use a blonde pencil, right? So that it's light enough, you know, to match your hair color. So today I'm going to be showing you how to fill our brows. And we're going to start, I'm going to show you point A, point B and point C and how we're going to connect everything. So basically you want to start your brows. As you can see, our brow starts right beside the bridge of a nose, right here. So I'm going to put a point here. That's your point A. And then can you look straight? Thank you. So it's going to arc as she's looking straight. The outer part of her pupil, the black part of her eyes, so just at the edge of it is where the brows will arc. So most times you might not need to do this if you already, you know, if your brows are well shaped and you already know exactly how to connect them, how to, you know, map it out. But I'm just showing you the easiest way to do it. And then I'm going to use this pencil just across the nose. It's going to go below, in between the lashes, the lower lashes. And then wherever it stops on the brow is where the brows stop. So that you need to know exactly where the brows should stop. Most times if you haven't abused your brows, where your natural brow stop is where you should stop. But if you've been tweezing a lot, you've been threading a lot, you might not be sure. So this is a very good way to know. So I'm also you're gonna join point A to point B, then to point C. Now another thing I'm going to show you right now is that between point A and point B, between point A and point B, you should have at least 2/3 of your brow length between point A and point B. And between point B and point C, you should have the remaining 1/3 of your brow length there. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to join now. So here, you're just going to see your brows as lines and angles. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to join from point A and I'm just drawing a line. I'm just filling it up. And I'm now at point B. Now at point B, that's where it arcs. I'm going to come down so that I'll connect that to my point C. And I'll do the same up. And then from point B, I'm going to join it to point C, so I'm going down. So this is an angle. I'm going down. So I have the outline, more like I have the outline. Now I'm going to fill it up. So I'm going to fill it in. And yeah. So for the natural brows effect, you want the beginning of the brow, you want it to be really faded. So I'm going to use the tip of the cover of this pencil. This is the Adoya pencil. So if you have it, you don't need any other brush to clean up the beginning of your brows. So I'm just going to use it to like fade it out. Yeah. So one more step. So I'm going to use a concealer, one shade lighter than a complexion or a normal skin tone, to clean up our brows, and that will make the brows really pop and it will make it really clean. So I'm going to use the liquid concealer in medium tan. It's the Adoya one. And I'm using the brow brush with it. So I'm just going to go directly under that line and I'm going to put some of this. And then I'm going to use this brush. It's an angled brush. So it's very easy to actually use it to outline the brow. So I'm going to use it and I'm just going to use it to spread the concealer. and then you can just bring it down and just blend it into the skin. Just blend it into the skin. So this helps you to clean it up, and if you have any lines coming out of the lines that you've outlined, you can actually use your concealer to clean it up, so it does a lot of job, really. All right, so I'm going to do exactly the same thing for the second brows, and I'm using the same pencil. I'm just going to sharpen it because you need your pencil sharp. So point A, just beside the bridge of the nose. Point B, just at the edge of the pupil, and then point C, just at the edge of the, so you're going to put your pencil at an angle from the edge of your nose to the edge of your eye, and as soon as it gets to the brow, that's where it ends. And then you just join point A to point B, then to point C in lines. So in a straight line, I'm just going to show you. So as you can see, I'm using the side, like the side of the pencil. I'm not using the tip of the pencil. I'm not using the exact tip of the pencil. I'm just using the side. So that makes it really easy for it to glide through. And then you come down at an angle when you get to point B to point C. And then you do the same thing here. And there you go. We have the brows set. Now, if you use this method for your own face, where your brows should start, where it should arc, and where it should end, it would work for your own face as well. So make sure you do something that works for your face. Yeah, so if you have issues with your brows, please feel free to put a comment under this video on adonia.com/blog. Right under this video, put a comment, and I'll either do another video with your brows if you're available. I'll do something similar to what your brows look like, or I'll reply you right on the blog. So till my next video, keep looking beautiful. Bye.